Russian drones have made medical evacuations nearly impossible, but Ukrainian drones have been adapting. Ukrainian soldier Maxim spent 33 days hiding in no man's land with a tourniquet on his leg. He was able to get inside a small remote-controlled evacuation drone. Unable to see anything, he was able to make it to safety.
Таке, що нічого не бачиш, ти лежиш в тій капсулі, тобі нічого не видно, їдеш непонятно куди. Страшно, думав, не доїду, думаю, що FPV відпрацює, десь підірвемося і десь застряну, там залишуся.
The operation sent 6 unmanned vehicles for Maxim, which were all destroyed before one finally reached him. This is one of many examples in which drone technology has been advancing and adapting to the realities on the ground. Hundreds of these machines are now being deployed at the front lines, bringing supplies and evacuating wounded soldiers who otherwise might be left stranded, waiting for armoured vehicles.